Hi again! I'm going to demonstrate how to create your own vibrant red velvet cupcakes harmonized with an alluring snowy white cream cheese frosting. So let's begin. To start off, we'll need an apron and gloves to prevent the red food coloring from coloring our hands and clothes. Sift together the cocoa, flour, and salt and set aside.
On the way, a moment ends and one begins. Sense of freedom.
For the wet ingredients, combine 1 tablespoon of red food coloring with half a cup of buttermilk. It's crucial we use buttermilk because its acidity plays a huge role in these cakes. Place the butter and sugar into your mixing bowl. We'll be using the creaming method for this cake.
On ground.
With the creaming method, the fat and sugar are beaten together. In step 1, the sharp edges of the sugar create small pockets of air in the fat. In step 2, the eggs are added one at a time to ensure better absorption. In step 3, a portion of the dry ingredients is added first so that it may be coated with fat particles, which helps to minimize gluten formation when the liquid is added. Alternatively, add the wet and dry ingredients until all ingredients are combined in order to ensure a smooth blend. Lastly, we must add the vinegar and baking soda.
I always keep one foot on side. Oh, ano ay may kialohan mo Hawaii.
There's enough batter for 12 cupcakes. Fill each cup half full. Bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for 18 to 20 minutes. Allow the cupcakes to cool in the pan for a minute or two before transferring each cupcake to a wire rack. See how pretty? The cake itself is moist and tender without being too sweet. Do you know why? The presence of an acid decreases the perception of sweetness despite the fact that the amount of sugar has not changed. Cool, huh? Now for the cream cheese frosting. This is a lighter and less rich version, but still so delicious. Dissolve 1½ teaspoons of unflavored gelatin in 1 tablespoon of hot water and set aside. Using a cold wire whisk and bowl, whip up 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. We need everything to be cool so that we can get the maximum volume from the cream. Start off at a low speed so you don't splatter cream all over the place. Notice how it is getting thicker and thicker. We're looking to stop the mixer once we achieve soft peaks. When we have soft peaks, add the dissolved gelatin. Then continue mixing until stiff peaks hold their shape.
And away on distant lands, I always keep one.
Transfer the whipped cream elsewhere and combine the softened cream cheese, sugar, vanilla, and sour cream in the uncleaned mixer bowl and whisk until smooth. Fold in the whipping cream, then transfer to a pastry bag. Using a number 21 star tip, pipe the frosting in concentric circles starting from the outside circumference of the cupcake and work your way in. Once you reach the center, you need to stop piping. Do so by releasing the pressure from the pastry bag so the frosting stops flowing, and push the tip in and slowly lift up to create a finished look. This is a red velvet cupcake with just a swipe of frosting. It doesn't look as fancy as the others, but tastes just the same. This is a moist and tender cake with a subtle chocolate flavor, and the light and airy cream cheese frosting complements it very well.